Today I am going to explain parts of the mirror. In previous class, I taught you what is mirror. Mirror is a type of reflecting surface which is reflected the rays of light according to the rule of reflection. Okay, mirror has two types, plane mirror and a spherical mirror. And again, a spherical mirror has two types, concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay, plane mirror has a smooth surface. The reflecting surface of concave mirror is engraved, while reflecting surface of convex mirror is embossed. Okay, here I am going to discuss parts of the mirror like pole, center of curvature, principal axis, radius of curvature, principal focus, focal length, aperture, focal plane, etc. are the parts of the spherical mirror or mirrors. Okay, the midpoint of the mirror is called its pole. This is the concave mirror. Concave mirror is a part of hollow sphere. Okay, the midpoint of the mirror is called pole of the mirror. This is the pole of the concave mirror and this is the pole of the convex mirror. Okay, here reflecting surface is engraved and here reflecting surface is embossed. Okay, and C is the center of curvature. This is the center of curvature of concave mirror, while this is the center of curvature of convex mirror. Mirror is the part of those hollow imaginary sphere whose center is called center of curvature. Okay, that means C is the center of this imaginary hollow sphere, hence it is the center of curvature. Like that, in the case of convex mirror, it is the center of curvature. The radius of curvature, what is the radius of curvature? That means spherical mirrors are the part of those hollow sphere whose radius is called radius of curvature. Okay, here CP is equal to radius of curvature of concave mirror. CP is equal to radius of curvature. Okay, similarly, in the case of convex mirror, CP is the radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. Okay. It is commonly denoted by R. R. Okay. Radius of curvature and focal length of plane mirror is always infinity. Okay, but in the case of either concave or convex mirror, it has finite length. Okay, now principal axis, the line joining the center of curvature and pole of the mirror is called principal axis. This long line is called principal axis. This is the principal axis in the case of concave mirror, and this is the principal axis in the case of convex mirror. Okay? And principal focus. The rays of light which are coming from infinity parallel along the principal axis, incident at a fixed point on the mirror or appear to incident at the fixed point of the mirror after reflection passing through the fixed point of the principal axis. That fixed point is called principal focus. It is clear according to the diagram. Suppose this is the concave mirror, okay, and this is its principal axis. P be the pole, M dash is the concave mirror. The rays of light coming from infinity parallel along the principal axis and after reflection meet at the fixed point of the principal axis. This fixed point is denoted by F, and F is the principal focus of the concave mirror. F is called to focus of concave mirror. Concave mirror. Okay. That means the rays coming from infinity parallel along the principal axis after reflection from the mirror meet at a fixed point of the principal axis. That fixed point is called focus or principal focus. In the case of convex mirror, you can see here, this is the principal axis, this is the pole. Okay. The rays of light coming from principal axis after reflection, okay, convex mirror is also known as diverging mirror. Okay. And when we meet imaginary these reflected rays, then it meets at a fixed point of the principal axis. This fixed point is called focus of convex mirror. Okay. F is equal to focus. Okay. This shows that focus of concave mirror is real, because real line is intersecting at fixed point on the principal axis, while focus of convex mirror is virtual, because an imaginary line meet at the fixed point of the principal focus. Okay. Principal focus is the fixed point at which reflected rays meets on the principal axis. It is clear, all of you? Okay. And focal length, the distance between pole and focus is called focal length. Focal length is commonly denoted by a small f. A small f is called to focal length. Here PF is equal to focal length. Focal length. PF is equal to focal length. Similarly, PF is the focal length of convex mirror. Okay. Aperture is the diameter of the mirror. Okay. And focal plane, the plane which is perpendicular to the principal axis and passing through the principal focus is called focal plane. Okay, again we repeat, the plane which is passing through the plane which is perpendicular to the principal axis and passing through the principal focus is called focal plane. These are the discussion of the parts of the mirror. Okay, now I am going to explain sign conventions used in the mirrors. Okay, and mirror formula. Sign conventions used in the mirror. When object distance is negative, image distance is either may be positive or negative. Okay. Sign conventions used in the mirrors. Sign conventions used in the mirrors. Okay, this is the shape of concave mirror. Okay, this is its principal axis and this is the pole M dash. This is the focus and this point is center of curvature. Similarly, this is the convex mirror M dash and this is the principal axis, focus and this point is center of curvature. According to the sign convention, object distance always be negative. That means the distance measured in the direction of incident ray is taken as positive, while the distances measured in the opposite direction of the incident ray is negative. That means that if the direction of incident ray is here, then the distance measured after the pole is positive, while distances measured before the pole is negative. Okay, all distances are measured to assume pole as the center. Okay, if the image is perpendicularly upward, then it is assumed to be positive. Image is formed perpendicularly upward is positive. If the image is formed perpendicularly downward, then it is assumed to be negative. Focus and radius of curvature of concave mirror is negative. Focus and radius of curvature of concave mirror is negative. Second, the focus and radius of curvature of convex mirror is positive. Okay, it is clear here. Focus and center of curvature in the case of convex mirror is located after the pole, while in the case of concave mirror, focus length and radius of curvature located before the pole. Okay, due to this reason, focus and radius of curvature is positive in convex mirror, and focal length and radius of curvature in the case of concave mirror is negative. Okay, these are the some sign conventions which are used in solving numericals and derivations of mirror formula. Okay, here what is mirror formula? Mirror formula, the formula which establishes relation between image distance, object distance and focal length of the mirror is called mirror formula. Okay, that mirror formula is an important formula of this chapter. On the basis of mirror formula, large number of numerical problems are best whose solutions are obtained on the basis of mirror formula. Okay, here mirror formula is mirror formula. Okay, mirror formula, the formula which establishes relation between object distance, image distance and focal length of the mirror, that implies 1 upon image distance, 1 upon image distance plus 1 upon object distance is equal to 1 upon focal length. Okay, 1 upon focal length. That implies 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. This formula is called mirror formula, where U is equal to object distance, okay, V is equal to image distance, F is equal to focal length. Okay, that means the formula which establishes relation between image distance, object distance and focal length of the mirror is called mirror formula, this formula is obeyed both concave mirror and convex mirror simultaneously. Okay? So many numerical problems are based on this formula. Okay? So that I discuss here some parts of the mirror, sign conventions and mirror formula. Now in next class I will teach you rules for image formation in mirrors and image formation in both mirrors. Till thank you. Have a nice day.